Good morning, everybody. I'm going to start doing some development blogs since I'm making a game at home, and I'm just going to try to cover little topics as quickly as possible. This will be about Unreal Engine, Maya, and any other software I use to make games. So today, do you need like a side scroller for your Unreal Engine project? Let me show you how I set this up as quickly as I possibly can. All right, first thing is to grab the third person character. This is the default character that comes with the third person Unreal Engine project. I'm going to go ahead and copy that into my project. And while I'm at it, I'm just going to go ahead and copy everything that you'll find in the inputs folder. Inputs. Now open up your copy of that third person blueprint. And in here, you're going to see this function that is move. We're going to open up move. Go ahead and take this get right vector, get rid of that thing because we don't need to go left and right anymore. We don't need this control rotation, and we don't need this add movement input. We're going to get this forward vector, squeeze it back over to here where we say get controller rotation, and we're just going to plug this Z into this Z and take this return value into world direction. Next, we're going to find the character's camera boom. If any of these camera settings, inherit pitch, inherit yaw, or inherit roll are on, you can just turn those off. You'll also want to make sure your camera is off to the side of your character, not in front. The rotation value in Z should just end up to be something like -90. Back in your event graph, you're going to see a whole bunch of nodes for the camera input. We don't need those anymore because we don't want to move our camera, so we delete them. If you select your camera boom arm again, go into details, type in lag. I recommend turning on enable camera lag. It just makes it feel nicer. Now finally, select your character movement component. Go ahead in the details and type in constrain, and you should see constrain to plane. We're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and check this on, then we're going to turn on Y, because that should be the axis your character is running in, and this will keep your character from drifting a little bit forward or backward in the scene while you're running. And here you see I've swapped out my skeletal mesh and my animation blueprint. Unreal 5.6 has a really nice way of transferring a whole bunch of animations to a new skeletal mesh pretty quickly. I can show you that in another video. I should have something like this working. Wow, isn't it great? Thanks for watching, and the Crack Karen thanks you as well.